Hey guys, so there's a lot of places to find the helicopters, and you're always gonna find them, for example, at the agency or right here at the rig. And to fly them, it's pretty simple. You just have to go up. There's no explosives, there's no machine guns, there's nothing like that with the helicopters, unfortunately. We can only fly up to a certain height as well. That's fair. There is that boost, so we can go sideways. If somebody's shooting at us, we can turn side to side, which is good. Other than that, what's fun about this is when you're playing squads, yes, everybody can load in, you can get away from the storm pretty fast. So that's a good thing about this helicopter, and we really needed a new vehicle to come in. So I'm pretty happy that we have something right now that we can play with. And I'm just going to show you at the agency. Most likely that helicopter has been taken because it is one of the main places that everybody goes to, agency. Apart from that, from the helicopter, if you guys jump out, you will die. Hopefully Fortnite will fix that and they will put something you can skydive. Because right now, we just die. Unless you land in water, which in that case, you will survive. Other than that, you do have a loudspeaker, so I can turn that on. And it's kind of funny, the loudspeaker, but it isn't that big deal. I think it should be even louder than what it is. So I'm just going to fly it down right now so you guys can see the other helicopter at the agency. Like I mentioned, there's several parts in the map where you guys can find helicopters. They're not that great. It is a vehicle. We needed a vehicle anyways in order to get around the whole map really fast, especially if we're running out of time with storm coming. So that's why I'm making this video, just to show you guys the new helicopter, which is pretty neat. Not that many people are gonna use it, but anyways, here we go. Let's just get into a helicopter. If I can get into it. Okay, so the other helicopter's getting in the way, and that's why it's glitching out on me. It's not letting me get into the new one. But as you guys can see, it's right here in agency. Yeah, so now you guys know, don't land one on top of the other or else it's gonna screw things up. It's gonna have this glitch. Anyways, I'm just gonna get into my old helicopter. I'm gonna push this one out of the way. Yes, you can shoot them down. Their health isn't that great. They could withstand quite a bit of shooting, but if everybody from another squad's shooting at the helicopter, it's not gonna withstand that much. Anyways, right now I hope Fortnite does fix the glitch where you jump out and you just die. Other than that, it's a pretty good thing. It doesn't ride that fast. The loudspeaker's kinda nice. And yes, you guys can switch up seats, so I can go right here to the side. Okay, so if somebody's playing with you, you guys could switch seats. Okay, in the helicopter, even if you're playing by yourself, as you guys can see, I can switch out. And if I had any guns, yes, I could go ahead and shoot people with my guns. It would be great if the helicopter itself had some machine guns or anything like that, so you're not wasting your own ammo. If you're flying really up high, you're gonna need all the ammo you can use, right? Anyways, right now I'm gonna switch right here. I can switch to this seat, I can switch to that seat, I can switch to many seats throughout the helicopter, or just switch back into this. So yes, if you're playing by yourself, you're switching seats, it's gonna slowly go down. I'm just gonna grab a gun so you guys can see that you can actually shoot. So let's grab this gun for now. Let's go back into it. Luckily nobody's shooting me down yet. Let's shoot this dude down. It's just a bot. So if I switch right here, I can aim, shoot at him. If I had actual good aim, I could actually shoot him even better. And there you go. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.